What's up, all you rednecks that love hunting, fishing, and everything in between? This is Storm Race Fishing here, coming back at you. And we on a boat. Got us a good old boat with Heath and Latrell Centers fishing. About to see if we can whack them today on Hatch and Chubby. See y'all in a bit. Hey, so Latrell just caught him a good old nice little spot.
I know, I'm always catching spots every time we get on camera.
You want to get the release?
Oh, if I can find my hemostats.
Oh, he choked it?
Yeah, he choked it, dude. Look at that.
Oh, the hemostat's fucking in my car.
God damn it.
Open up. I don't know if you'll be able to get them out with it. Open this little compartment. And in the front of that bag.
Good day fishing, boys. Yeah.
Like in the very front with the soft plastic? I see it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I should be able to get it with that.
Oh yeah.
They're a little rusted, so they'll do the job.
Yeah, that'll work. I'll take the worm out. I mean, I didn't even feel him hit it, dude.
You just fucking took it.
Yeah, I just felt the weight of him. If I can get the hook turned around.
Still on video, Sam?
Yeah. Gotta log it.
There we go. All right. Fat little spot, dude.
Yeah,
Jeez,
holy
little
shit.
football, man. All right, let's get the release on this guy.
She gone.